today I'm gonna teach you how to apply formal paste and take out the exclams on your Xbox 360. But before I start this video, please hit that subscribe button and that like button. So let's get to the tutorial. First, you're gonna need a screwdriver to apply the formal paste. You're gonna need a prying tool to take out the old formal paste on the heatsinks, and also some formal paste and some isopropyl alcohol to clean the old one. So yeah, let's get started. First, you need to flip your motherboard around like this. Then you will need also a flathead screwdriver, and you just want to carefully shove it in here, your flathead screwdriver. Or if it doesn't work here, you can, this should pop right out. You need to be careful, and you just need to wiggle it, and exclam number 1 is take out. Let's put it over here. And now exclam number 2. One out. Second one out. And for this one you just need to wiggle it out. And the second one is out. So if you have these formal pads, don't remove them. You don't need to remove them. So now let's flip the board and remove the heat sinks. You just need to gently flip them up. They might get a little stuck, but Whoa, this is so dry. Look at this. It's not even messy. It doesn't mess me up. And the CPU it's very dry. And let's take a look at the GPU heatsink. This was the CPU. And this is also pretty dried out. And actually the GPU is the cause of the red ring of death. Look at this. This is very dry. And we need to change this. You can use whatever formal paste you want. For this video, I'm gonna use this white formal paste. It does the same job. So let's now put it here, and first let's clean the heat sinks. I'm gonna get my prying tool. You can buy these from AliExpress. Now you just need to scrape the old formal paste off, and you need to clean it very good, because the CPU and GPU need to contact with the heatsinks, or else if you don't apply enough formal paste or the heatsinks are dirty, it can overheat and cause the red ring of death. And actually, one of the consoles that I got for untested Xbox 360, they are fat consoles, and one of them did have the red ring of death, the same problem like this one. This actually works, but the fans are super loud. So that's why I'm changing the formal paste. If there's nothing wrong with overheating, you still might want to change it because this is very old. And you can add some, if you have some issues of scraping off the old formal paste, you can just use some isopropyl alcohol if you want, and I'm gonna use actually that because it's more easily to scrape off. So yeah, now it's more easy to take it off like this, and this is almost enough. And don't worry about this part, this is just burned by the CPU. And yeah, this is actually enough. You can clean it how much you want. The thing that matters is to be clean, so it can send out the heat. Let's put it that in there, and the other heatsink. So for this, I'm also gonna use isopropyl alcohol. Let's apply it because that actually helps a lot. Let's clean it like this. Oops, scratched. Don't worry if you scratch the heatsinks, that doesn't matter. But what matters is the GPU and the CPU. If you scratch, then you would break your console and you won't be able to fix it. So be very, very careful when you clean the CPU and GPU. So yeah guys, I cleaned the GPU heatsink. Let's leave it over here. And now let's clean these two chips. You need to be very careful with these because you can scratch them, and like I said, if you scratch them, your whole console is basically ruined. So yeah, you need to gently clean this. And also, the more important part is to clean the actual chip. This is the actual chip, the shiny part. You need to clean that. This formal paste can stay, but this needs to be perfectly cleaned. Let's clean first the CPU chip. This doesn't have the much formal paste I expected, but you can go around if you want, but I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, there's some formal paste. And if it's like shiny to touch, it's good and you can put back the heatsink. But if it's matte, you need to clean it more. So yeah guys, I cleaned the CPU. Now it's glossy. That's good. And I also cleaned some of the corners just in case. Now let's get to the GPU. You want to do the same thing on the GPU. Just clean it. If you want that good to clean it, you can clean it around the edges. But I recommend you need to clean the shiny chips because that's where the heat transfers to the heat sinks. So yeah, I'm gonna be right back. So yeah guys, I cleaned again the chips and the heat sinks. Now let's apply the formal paste. So first, let's open the tank up and let's take a little amount and be careful to not scratch the chips with the tool you're using, because that's very dangerous for the console. So yeah, this is enough formal paste. Let's now disassemble this heatsink, and once we put this heatsink, we're gonna move on with the GPU. So yeah, just gently put the heatsink and twist it around like this. So yeah, now let's put back the X-clamp. You first need to put it like this and then push on all sides so you can stable it. So yeah, the X-clamp is in place. You need to push it just in case. So the GPU, the CPU heatsink is attached. Hold on, let me zoom out. It's out. Now let's apply formal paste to the GPU. Let's take some more, and you actually need to apply on both of the two chips right here. So a little amount on this tiny chip here. Now we need more so it doesn't overheat, because this heatsink is the problem why it has the red ring of death. Okay, I think this is enough. Let's apply on the normal chip. So I'm pretty sure this is RAM and this is the actual GPU, but I'm not that sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the tiny chip is RAM. So yeah, we need a little bit more. Like this. And now let's reattach the other heatsink. I think we need it, yeah, like this. Let's twist it around. And this time you need to hold it because it can fall. Let's put back this X-clamp. This is the same process like the other one. You need to push on these sides like this. So yeah, you need to push on these 4 sides, and we're done. Now the formal paste is replaced. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.